Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Cullum Costello, and in today's video I'd like to talk to you about a few different penny stocks that have been gaining some attention lately in the stock market. The word Metaverse has been quite a buzz, and these stocks are hinting at Metaverse acquisitions, so please pay attention and see if these are something that you want to put your eyes on for the future. Please keep in mind, you guys, that the stock market, and especially penny stocks, are very risky, so don't invest any money that you're not willing to lose, and as always, do your own research. Now let's get into the video. Alright you guys, the first penny stock we'll be talking about today is ticker symbol AMLH for American Leisure Holdings stock. First we'll look at a quick description and see what AMLH stock does, then we'll see some tweets they've sent out recently, and follow it up with the stock charts to see how the stock has been behaving lately. Now let's check it out. AMLH Stock, or American Leisure Holdings Incorporated, is a holding company in the process of getting current with the SEC and OTC markets. The company plans to bring accretive shareholder value and grow by participating in cash flowing, revenue-generating projects, and acquiring cutting-edge technologies. Now let's check out a few recent tweets from American Leisure Holdings Incorporated. AMLH Stock shareholders just updated our filings on OTC markets to return to current, laser focused on our upcoming business ventures in the hottest, fastest growing industry. More updates to follow. #2022. And if we look below there, we can see a few tickers they've tagged with a hashtag no dilution. AMLH shareholders, we know we've been quiet, but trust us, great things demand a lot of time and hard work. All we can say right now is what we're planning for you is out of this universe. More to follow in 2022. A hint at the Metaverse in that last tweet? Can we trust them? Well, I'd like to know what you guys think in the comments section down below, so jot me down something down there and let me know what you think of AMLH stock. Now let's check out another tweet, and then we'll move on to the stock charts to see how AMLH penny stock has been behaving lately. Dear AMLH shareholders, our CEO Adrian Mackenzie Patazar is no longer the CEO of DANX or DNA Brands. 100% of his efforts will be working towards bringing the best quality projects/mergers to AMLH stock. More updates to follow by week's end. Here's the one-day candlestick chart over the last year for ticker symbol AMLH or American Leisure Holdings stock. So each of these candlesticks would represent how the stock traded for one day over the last year. AMLH stock over the past couple months has been a roller coaster up and down. What I'll be looking for is that top yellow line there to hold as support. If it falls down through there, I'll be watching that blue line in the triangle channel to see if it holds the trend line, and I'd keep a stop loss just below that. A stop loss can help you preserve gains and lock in profits, or it can help you minimize losses, and in my opinion in the OTC, you must use a stop loss. Especially if a stock goes on a parabolic run, you guys, what goes up must come down at some point, so please be smart and lock in your gains. Now that we've checked out ticker symbol AMLH for American Leisure Holdings stock, let's check out our next penny stock that we're going to talk about, and that's ticker symbol TONR for TONR One Holdings. This company is also hinting at Metaverse acquisitions and could be something that you want to put down on your watch list. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below. It helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. We're a young channel we're trying to grow, and it'll also help other investors learn about all these penny stocks. Here we are on OTCmarkets.com checking out TONR stock or TONR One Holdings. We can see their pink current as of yet, but this company currently has no current operations and has plans to merge with an operating cryptocurrency, DeFi, or fintech business. The company would, in the alternative, acquire and consolidate an asset roll-up to become a profitable enterprise. The areas of interest for TONR One Holdings include mining, cryptocurrency operation, green energy, digital banking, real estate lending, residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. Now we're going to check out a few recent tweets from TONR One Holdings. You guys, I'd like to hear what you think of this stock, so drop me a comment down below. Here's a recent tweet from TONR One Holdings that created a little bit of a frenzy for shareholders and sent the stock price plummeting for a short period of time. TONR stock understands the frustrations. What was released in the morning was not authorized and premature. A website without any of the required functionalities. That was unacceptable and unprofessional service delivery. That brings us to the most recent tweet from TONR STOCK. We'll have news about the outstanding debt, crypto assets, exchange acquisition, entry into Metaverse, and other updates within the next 2 weeks. Now we're going to check out the stock charts for TONR STOCK or TONR One World Holdings. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about more ways to make money. Here's the one-day candlestick chart for TONR stock or TONR One World Holdings Incorporated stock. What I'll be looking for TONR stock in the future is to hold that yellow line there as support, which is at 0.0041. I'll also be watching that red line to see if it breaks resistance at 0.007 and holds that as support. If we can break resistance at 0.007 and hold it, I'll be looking to break out of this triangle pattern to the upside or the downside, and I'd keep a stop loss below that blue line. Now that we're done talking about TONR stock and we've checked out the stock charts, let's look at a stock that I believe does have some potential. This is ticker symbol ICOA for ICOA Incorporated stock. This penny stock has great management, and it might be one that you want to chuck down on your watch list. Let's take a look. Here we are on OTCmarkets.com under ICOA stock or ICOA Incorporated. We can see the stock as of right now is pink current and trading at 0.00885. ICOA is a publicly traded Nevada fintech and blockchain company. Through multiple acquisitions, ICOA is positioning itself as a leader in the DeFi, blockchain, NFT, Metaverse, and crypto space. Now we're going to take a look at an article about an acquisition that ICOA Incorporated has made. Then we'll look at some tweets and follow it up with the stock charts to see how the stock has been behaving lately. Please keep in mind that these stocks are not traded on Robinhood or Webull. I use E-Trade, it's just a personal preference, and I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys are interested. Now let's check out some recent news from ICOA Incorporated or ICOA stock. ICOA, a publicly traded Nevada company currently entering the DeFi, blockchain, NFT, and Metaverse space through multiple acquisitions, announces the closing of its acquisition of BGBF, Southeast Asia's first insured Bitcoin fund. The terms of the letter of intent have been finalized and legal sign-off has been completed. As such, the company's management has elected to move ahead with the closing of its BGBF acquisition in a transaction valued at USD $240 million. As part of the acquisition, ICOA is acquiring 100% of BGBF in return for restricted preferred shares of ICOA stock. Alright you guys, we're going to move on to a recent tweet and then check out the stock charts for ICOA or ICOA stock. But first, I want to know what you guys think about ICOA. So please drop me a comment in the comment section down below. Let's get back to the video. Here's a recent tweet from ICOA stock or ICOA Incorporated. Dear ICOA family, we have reached major milestones this year with the closing of IBG and BGBF acquisitions and the launch of our new NFT division with the signing of the Skolas partnership, and are very excited about the future ahead. We can see they've hashtagged blockchain, NFT, Metaverse, and Web3. Here's the daily candlestick chart over 1 year for ICOA stock or ICOA Incorporated penny stock. ICOA previously ran up to about 0.028 cents, only to be chopped all the way down to where we're trading at now at 0.0082. What I'd be looking for in the future of ICOA stock is to hold that blue slight uptrend line there and possibly to break the resistance at 0.0104 and hold that as support. If I was looking to trade this, I'd keep a stop loss under that blue line. When I'm trading a penny stock, I usually keep a stop loss to minimize my losses or preserve my gains. Also, keep in mind, you can never lose money taking profits. Well, you guys, that's going to do it for today's penny stock video. I want to thank you all so much for staying to the end. I hope this helped you put something on your radar that you might be interested in getting invested in. Now, do me a favor. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Till next time, you guys, I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.